Hello everybody. This is Monty with Flowers by the Bunch. So today I am going to put together some arrangements for a small banquet out at the college, and it's going to be maroon and white flowers, but I have several to do. So what I've done here is I have taken 5 mason jars, and I am going to do an assembly line in making these arrangements. So they're all matching, they're all maroon and white. I'm going to start out with white hydrangeas. And so I find the easiest way to go about making several is just to do them kind of in a row. So we'll do a single white hydrangea in each. Pulling off all of that foliage so it'll stay hydrated. Trim it down just a little more. And I am just taking all of the foliage, or the majority of foliage. Hey Owen, I need one more hydrangea. This one's got a pretty good bump, please sir. Now when you remove all of the foliage, it helps to keep that hydrangea just a little more hydrated. All right, so Owen's gonna grab one more hydrangea for me. Next I'm gonna come in with a white stock. I'm gonna strip the foliage. Tuck in a little white stock. Thanks, buddy. Thank you, sir. All right, so Owen grabbed me another hydrangea out of the cooler. All right, next, so you just kind of go one flower at a time, just so that they'll all match. It's really very easy. And these are smaller arrangements, so they're not complicated, which is nice. All right, next I'm going to come in with Safari Sunset. Now Safari Sunset, I love Safari Sunset because with Safari Sunset, I'm actually going to use it in 2 pieces. So instead of stripping all the foliage off, I'm going to take some snips, cut it, and use this top piece as one flower, and then use this bottom piece as another because it's got that pretty maroon. And that way you get 2 insertions for the price of 1, or 2 flowers for the price of 1. And then you don't feel wasteful. You don't feel like you're wasting it. So I'm just taking those snips and snipping it. All right, so there's my Safari Sunset. Next I'm going to come in with these heart roses. Now I like a heart rose. The heart roses are a red rose, lots of petals, and it's a really deep red, so it works out perfectly for these arrangements. So I'm going to take them and I'm going to remove the the thorns, because the thorns bite. I'm going to take them, I'm going to cut them short, and I'm just tucking them deep into that arrangement. Now I am not going to wire their heads because they are all real short in the vases. So I'm not going to worry about wiring their heads. That little guy down in there. All right, there's my roses. Next, I'm going to come in with some Hypuricum berries. Now, with these Hypuricum berries, I took a little bit of floral spray. It's called Just for Flowers. And I took that Just for Flowers and I spray painted them. They're kind of a peachy, orangey colored berry. I spray painted them and popped them with just a little bit of maroon, just so that they would work perfectly for this little party. So I'm going to tuck just a little bit, a couple of little sprigs of these maroon berries into each arrangement. And it gives us just another little pop of that maroon color. And I even like that it has a little bit of the maroon on the leaves, because it kind of gives us that little bit of that pop of maroon, which is nice. So I've got all of the flowers that I'm going to put in these, and berries and such, that I'm going to put in these arrangements. Now I'm going to come back with just a little bit of green dragon, just to give us a little bit of a finished look. And so I'm going to come around the edges with a little bit of green dragon. But you see how quickly this really goes very fast. All right, so there's one. Two. I love the way green dragon has lots of little bracts that you can cut. It's got lots of pieces that work perfectly when you're doing some, smaller arrangements. You can get several pieces of greenery. Several arrangements out of one little piece of greenery, which is nice. Makes your money spread pretty good, doesn't it? Go a little further. 5 little arrangements. It's just a little more. And there we go. There's 5 arrangements in just a few minutes. So we've got all of, well, we have 20 to do. So we still have a little ways to go. But I kind of wanted to show you how easy it was to put together multiple arrangements in an assembly line. It just makes it easier, or that's what I think. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank y'all so much for being here this afternoon. If you like videos like these, you can subscribe and follow us here on YouTube. You can also find us on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. Guys, have a wonderful day. We'll see you real soon.